Welcome to today's lesson. Right away, we are beginning with how we can develop our SBA for schools. Our SBA for schools. I think we have gone too far in the previous lessons, and ideally, we want to enter into this level, and then don't worry if we couldn't tackle some one or two things in the previous level, because in this level we are going to see a lot and we are going to learn a lot, and then we add up to the previous knowledge that we have. Alright, so this project or this tutorial is very critical. As a result, you need to get a folder. In which you have your work saved. Ideally, we are going to spend about some time on this. For you to get a complete project, you need to get a folder, and then you create one Excel. You have to create one Excel worksheet or workbook that you'll be using in our tutorial. Okay, so I have my project SBA. Sorry, I have my how do we call it? I have my folder SBA training, and then I have created my own Excel worksheet. So for the sake of those who can't do that, you click on a new space, then you click on a new or empty space, then you come to select Microsoft Excel worksheet, and please make sure that you name it the way you can see. So I'm naming mine SBA. So anytime that I open this folder, I know the content of it. Alright, so now that it is saved in this manner, let me quickly open it. Now my workbook is opened, so I want to create my first worksheet, so that after that we get to know how we can create the other worksheets. So let me start from the second line, because maybe I'll have my heading in the first one. So the first should be my ID, okay, student ID. Then I come to name of student. Okay, so let me open it a bit, because the name is going to take some space. Alright, I think it's good enough. Very good. So I have to deal with class score, which must sum up to 50%. Class score should be 50%. Okay, should be 50%. Okay, let me leave it like this. The next step will be with editing or formatting the cells. The next one should be exam score. That one too should sum up to 50%. So 50% of what the students will get in the exam. Then we come to total score. Total score. And that one too should be 100%. Very good. Then after that, let me format it. So let me open this exam score. Okay. Total. It shouldn't be too wide. Very good. So I have to come and select all, and then I will wrap the text, so that some of the text that are not appearing will come to the next line. So I'll come to wrap text. Very good. So my text is wrapped nicely. Let me arrange all of them well. Yeah, because they will form my topic. Let me bolden them, and then ideally the font that we are going to use is Times New Roman. That one looks more attractive. So Times New Roman. Very good. So I have the name of the student, the class score, exam score, total score. Now position in class. Position in class. Position in class. Then remarks. Alright, I should have waited for everything so that I format all of them once. So let me do this once more. Okay, very good. Then bold. The Times New Roman is not affecting this one. It's not affecting the position in class. But I can just click on this. I will come to this filter, this format painter, this particular one. When I click on it and I come to click on this, all the effects that I have in this cell will reflect here. Very good. So you see the font size, the bold, and then everything has reflected here. Very good. I have remarks. Okay. So the remarks is going to take some words, so I have to just open it a bit. Very good. Let me open it more. Very good. Now let me do this. I will be writing the name of the subject here. So let me select everything and then merge and center. Where's my merge? Okay, my merge and center is here. Merge and center. So I will be writing the name of the subject here. Very good. Now can I do some few formatting? Okay, let me change this. Okay, this one is based on your own preference, the choice of your color, any way you want it to look like, depends on you. Okay, let me choose this and change the font color to white. Oh, will it be? I don't think. So let me maintain the black. Very good. Now I'm done with the first sheet. Let me open this a bit. Perfect. Good. Now this is what I want to do. There are many sheets here that I don't want. I want to do away with them. So there will be I will have my peace of mind. So let me close this a bit. Very good. Then Control plus Shift plus down arrow key. I will not release the Control plus Shift. Then I will click on the right. Very good. So all these places are selected. I want to hide them. So hide and unhide rows. So sorry, I was supposed to hide columns instead. So I will click on Control plus Z to restore my work. So format, hide and unhide. I'll come to unhide columns. So my columns are hidden. So this is the only place that I'm going to work with. Now can I do some few formatting? Okay. Let me introduce borders here. Okay, let me introduce some borders here. Sorry, this place. Let me bring it down. It's okay. I can have 190 students in my class. That's possible. So let me go and introduce all borders. So I have all borders. So with this, I can even choose to change the color. But anyway, let's maintain it this way. This color, I think, is not projecting my work. Let me change this. Okay, I think this is more projectable. Okay, that's good. Now I have my first sheet, and all the sheets that I'm going to use will take this format. So let's assume this is English language. So let me rename English language. Perfect. So we have our first sheet. It is left with 8 sheets that we will create, because we have to capture all other subjects. So what do we do? Do we have to just create them one after the other? No. The best thing we can do is to just copy this one. So I'll come and then I will copy the English language. I'll create a copy. First one. Okay, so when I click here, it's the same thing. When I come here, it's the same thing. Let me click the next. Let me copy. So I have two. Now there are 3. Next one. Where is my copy? Okay. Create a copy. There are 4. I want 9 of them. There are 5. Very good. Now we have all the 9. Very good. So this is what I am going to do. So when I come here and I want to see the next one, I click on this to take me to the next one. So let me come back. To come back, we can use this to show all the ones that are hiding. So the English language, the original one is there. So we will not have English language again. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to rename all the sheets. Now let me come and rename this one. Rename to get mathematics. Perfect. Let me come and rename this one to get social. To get your time, we hide it, so let us shorten all of them. Let me come and rename this one to, sorry. I want to rename this one to be RME. The next one, science. The next one, what is left? Computing. Ideally, I'm using the format of the basic schools. So please, in your school, if you have anything different from this, you just change it to suit your preference. Now I have computing. Then let me have P. The next one is career technology. So career. The next one is creative arts. So let me shorten it to arts. And then I think I'm good to go. Let me check if this is a copy. So this is the original one. So we have all the subjects captured. All the subjects. I have all of them captured over here. Very good. So let me go and create another. Let me come and create another worksheet. I want to create the teacher analysis. So this time we are not using teacher analysis as the name. Let's use score sheets. Okay, let's use entry sheets. Very good. So that, yes, this is good. And then let's come to create another one to get name sheets. Okay, name or data. Okay, name for the name, and then we have the name. That's where you have the remarks and everything. So let's name it data or database. Very good. We have database, and then let's create this. Let's create subjects. Subjects. Very good. So we have all these. They are very important, and we are going to use them. And then one more thing that we need to create. Let's create report cards. Report cards. Report cards. And then finally, let us create. Finally, we have created another one here. So let us create rename. We are creating homepage. Homepage or home for short. Homepage. Let's use homepage. I want to create some diversity so that we can get some difference between the one that we watched in the video and this. So we have homepage. Very good. Very good. Now I want to move my homepage to the first. Okay. I will not release it. So homepage here. So I have my homepage first. Very good. Then let me go and bring my database. Let me bring it here so that I will not struggle to identify it. I have my home page. I have my database. There is one more thing that I have to go and bring so that it will be closer to me. And then entry sheets. Oh, why don't I select this? I'll hold and click. Okay, let me also choose the report cards. I'll press on control and I'll click so that I'll move the three. I'm moving three. So I want to place them here. So I have entry sheets, I have homepage, database, report cards, and subject. Okay, these are the three that I moved. Let me change the the tab color. So this control click, and let me change the tab color. I want to ideally get one color for all of them because I'm going to work on them. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the sheets that I'm going to work on. So database, entry sheet, subject, and report cards. Very good. So we have finished creating all our sheets, and then we are ideally going to work on them to get a result. Very good. We don't want our videos to be very lengthy, so sometimes you get to a point and we will end there. Now this is where we want to end in today's lesson. Please do well and practice. We want everyone to get this template down so that when we proceed to the next level, no one will be left behind. Thank you very much, and stay connected to NTech Computing Institute. God bless you.